Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Oh my God, when I'm looking at you right now, it's like rewind 15, 20 years back and you're still the same.
Oh no, yeah, no. There's a lot of salt in the beard now.
But you've not been aging. I think you've completely stopped aging since past few years.
That's not true, actually. How are you? How are you doing?
Are you,
How's everyone at home?
I'm yes, yes, all good. We are good here. How
I'm
about
going to
you?
use my specs to spot these guys. Hi, Mr. Stranger. Hello, roll number 07. Hi, KD Ali. Hi, big fan. My favorite villain. Okay. Hello. Basu Sharma. Hi. Junaid Khan. Hi. Let's go on.
Yeah, so how you been? All good?
Yeah, so far, in God's grace, my master's blessings, all good.
Okay. So how is your routine like while being at home in the lockdown? Or you're
Uh,
still working?
No, I've not been working. It's strange. This is I mean, last year I was working all through the lockdown. This year I decided to come to Delhi. I had not come to Delhi at all of last year. My mother's here, my son's here, Mukul's also here at the moment. So didn't get to see any of them last year. I just came for 2 days. Like 2 days, one day and then another day.
Oh,
In fact, so I thought this month I can take the luxury of taking off. In fact, I was supposed to shoot for your channel.
okay.
Uh, with Vikram Bhatt, but it got pushed. It got pushed by a month, so I think we're filming in June or something. He told me so good.
So little time is good.
Yeah,
So how are you spending? Fitness, family, cooking, what's happening?
I mean here no cooking because there's enough house help. The house is like this home is like a big home. It's my mother's place, so we have domestic help. Thank God for that. Last year I learned how to fry eggs. I learned how to do smoothies. I learned how. I mean, I learned a bit in Bombay. But this year is luxurious in that sense. But I've been without water since morning. So अभी थोड़ी
Oh,
देर पहले ही पानी आया है. So अभी
oh.
अभी नहाया हूँ ताज़ा ताज़ा. I put out a tweet there tagging Delhi Jal Board and Mr. Kejriwal. And I think maybe the voters there. I think the Delhi Jal Board has gone to the Supreme Court because of water being stopped from behind. पीछे पीछे शायद हरियाणा बनियान पंजाब से पानी नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे हैं. So it's gone to the matters in Supreme Court. Sub judice. So let's avoid all that.
Okay, so talking about Delhi, you've been a Delhi boy, and I read somewhere that you and Shah Rukh Khan were in the same school.
Yeah, he was my senior, and of course, very illustrious man. I mean, in school also, he was just brilliant. He won the Sword of Honor at my school, and my
Oh,
school at that time was the most sought after school. St. Columbus. I'm glad that I went there, thanks to my mother and her perseverance. मैं लिखता था ज्वाइनिंग हैंड में इंग्लिश में लेटेस्ट ब्रदर फोली को दैट टाइम लव यू ऑल्सो अनिराधा सर कुछ क्या thumbs up okay good morning good evening okay so anyway so उस टाइम पे मिल गया वो एडमिशन एंड देन he was just too good. Yeah, he was fantastic at dramatics. He was fantastic at sports. He was fantastic at gymnastics. He was brilliant at academics. He won the Sword of Honor, which is like the biggest respect the school gives. One guy gets that yearly. So he was that guy in his batch. So that way.
wow.
Yeah. He could have been anything. He could have been a scientist. He could have been
Oh,
any. Yeah, no, he was brilliant. He was brilliant.
so what are your memories? Are any memories with him in school or
With him
how
in
was it?
school, he was my senior, so we were not in the same class, obviously. But I remember him. We used to play cricket, so I was one of the fast bowlers. The team had two fast bowlers. We had. I was in the school cricket team, and he was the wicket keeper. So till his
Okay.
batch passed away, he was the official wicket keeper, and then somebody else came in instead of his place in for him because वो जो pass out हो गया ना वो.
Hmm.
So, तो so that way, yeah. So I remember him keeping wickets even without inners. एक चीज होती है, gloves पहनते हैं. So the school didn't have them sometimes. You know how school teams है ना, कई बार आधी चीजें होती हैं, कई बार नहीं मिलती हैं, कई बार पैड मिलते हैं, कई बार नहीं मिलते हैं.
Yeah.
So he was just too good, yeah, too good, too good. He was really
Great.
too good. I'm not just saying that. I mean, he was brilliant. I mean, he was just brilliant. You ask any Columban, down 10 batches down or 10 batches up. I mean, not that the others don't know him, but you know, he was just sheerly brilliant. You know, एक होता है ना, एक blessed boy, blessed man.
Great. So from you are an engineering student, right?
That's
So how
right.
did you end up modeling, and just tell us your journey
The heart
about
was not there in engineering, but चले गया था. You know, like story of Three Idiots. I didn't know what to do actually. I wanted to play cricket. That's all I knew. You know, so I used to go to the Delhi National Stadium. I was part of the Delhi state team at that time. I played for them in the Vijay Merchant, which is under 15 years trophy. वीनू मांकड़ एक ट्रॉफी तब चालू हुई थी, अभी पता नहीं है कि नहीं है. अंडर 16 इयर्स भी एक चालू हुई थी, फिर एक कूच बिहार ट्रॉफी थी अंडर 19. So all the three trophies I represented the state in, and but then after that वो होता है ना, like both your parents are working, bourgeoisie home, पढ़ोगे नहीं तो मरोगे, that kind of stuff. तो गए यार engineering करने के लिए, and then modeling happened to me just by chance. I had come back to Delhi for one of my holidays, you know, at the Gap in school, and I remember the nightclub Ghungroos. So that had a big part in my life. Ghungroos was the place at that time. Obviously, you don't belong to my generation, so you wouldn't know about it.
I know Guru, yes.
No, you don't. You don't look it. So, Ghungroos mein, there was a very, very famous designer. He's no more. He passed away at that time. Rohit Khosla. So he was the pioneer of fashion in the country. And he come up to me and asked me, okay, people pay for the salt look. You look dashing. Okay, a friend of mine from Bombay. Okay, thank you, Gina. So anyway, at that time, he came to me and he said, "You have a damn nice face, and I want to shoot my clothes on you." So it was just prophecy. And then we shot for his clothes. The best photographer at that time shot my, like, arguably the best photographer. Prabodha Das Gupta shot my first pictures. He's no more too. But if you go on to Prabodha Das Gupta, you'll understand what I'm saying. He was like the top fashion photographer the country had, and the top fashion designer the country is having is putting their clothes on him. And I became a clothes horse. And there were a lot of people instrumental that time. Atul Kasbekar, my friend, photographer that time, I shot most of my campaigns with him. Your Times group, Vinita Davar Nangia, she was the one who really, really, really inculcated fashion at the Times of India. Because unka ek wo Saturday Times chalu hua tha, which used to only be talking about fashion. You know, so it had become a very big thing that time, fashion. So it was still in the nascent stage, not like how it is now. And it used to get a lot of attention. So the models, the male models would get a lot of attention, which is not the case now, unfortunately. So मजा आया यार, बड़े मजे किए. And that time we were just like, imagine now, one boy 18 girls, two boys 16 girls, all we were just traveling. And if you go to all boys school, it used to be damn difficult for me, because when you going to a all boys school, I was very good interacting with men. You know, like, all boys school mein gaye na, Columbus was like, there were no women. And so it was like that kind of growing up. And then 96, I remember I got a call from Mad Films Bombay. I was still Delhi based, and the legendary Mukul Anand, who's also no more unfortunately, he gave me my first break in Das. So he said, "Ke Rahul, main Mukul bol raha hu." Mukul is also incidentally my younger brother's name, and he had moved to Bombay before me, and he was already launched, I think, in a Mahesh Bhatt film with Shushmita, who at that time won the Miss Universe, Dastak, and he did very well in it.
Yes.
So it was just like that, yeah. We don't have any reference points in the movie business. It was just pure destiny which took me there. I can't say that, you know, I always wanted to be an actor, not at all. It was learning, and I think the directors were very, very gracious that they helped me learn and also paid for it. So the producers paid for it, sorry. So the first prep I remember for acting used to be, I would say if I really had a mentor, it was Mukul Anand. बिकॉज वो कहता था कि राहुल बड़ी फिल्म है, संजय दत्त है, सलमान खान है, विनोद खन्ना साहब हैं, एंड लाइक यू नो यू द वन गाय पिटेड अगेंस्ट देम, एंड इट वाज आल्सो अ रियल रेफरेंस पॉइंट. वो मस्त गुल का एक कैरेक्टर था रियल लाइफ में, Chirare Sharif was burnt in Kashmir, and that's how we sort of went ahead. तो वहाँ से शुरुआत हो गई. और उस वक्त डर लगता था, you know, they used to say यार models can't act, तुम लोगों की हिंदी में नहीं, तुम्हें हिंदी नहीं बोलनी आती. यार मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, दिल्ली से बड़ा हुआ हूँ, हिंदी क्यों नहीं आएगी मुझे? बट वो चेहरा ऐसा उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता था, थोड़ा एंग्लिसाइज ज्यादा लगता था, लंबे बाल बाल थे और वेट और भी गौंड था मैं. In fact, Models One was my rep in London, the agency. I shot for an international campaign called Rakanoya. It was a men's cologne. It was the cologne that time. काले रंग की बोतल थी, सफेद रंग में लिखा होता था Rakanoya. And so I was the face on it, just this much of a headshot, लंबे बाल coming out of a pool, beautiful shot. So उस किस्म की चीजें हो गई थी, सब तुक्के लग गए थे, सारे तुक्के जो भी, मतलब वहाँ तो ईश्वर ने नहीं दिया क्रिकेट में, तो उसने कहा चले यार तू उधर चले यार.
So, modeling से movies में shift, obviously it looked very.
Hello sir, hi, hello sir, hello sir. नाम मुझे पढ़े नहीं जा रहे हैं यार, चश्मा पहनता हूँ. और बहुत फास्ट जा रहे हैं आप लोगों के ये जो है messages.
Yeah, many comments.
Yeah.
So your transition was obviously the 2 movies was the next expected, but modeling छोटे समय कुछ ऐसा लगा कि you know, am I doing the right thing? अगर नहीं कुछ click करता movies में, then how will?
Yeah, bored हो गया था. I was just bored, you know. After a point, now walking up and down in nice looking clothes and facing flashbulbs, you get bored afterward, you know. It's not that occupying, you know, mentally. I mean, after all, see, 1990, I shot my first campaign. So by 6, I don't know how many shows. Hello, Satish, how are you? How are you? So I was just bored, you know. ऊपर नीचे चल चल के bored हो गया था. It used to pay very well in those days, and I remember my first paycheck from Tata. It was 4,200 rupees for the whole month. So I actually worked for a company. Yeah, the whole month. And this is after the engineering, whatever I did there. And my first modeling check was of 10K for some couple of hours. So
Wow.
there was no correlation, and I remember whatever I did after that, it would just. So I said, यार ये तो बहुत आसान काम है, कुछ करना नहीं है, जाके तस्वीर खिंचानी है, टाइम पास करना है और घर आ जाना है, ऊपर नीचे चलना है कपड़े पहन के, और फिर घर आ जाना. उसके बाद पार्टी होती है. Parties, I would be a little uncomfortable. Vanitha can vouch for it because I don't drink, I don't smoke, so there was no really, you know, after a while you don't relate to the whole ambience, and then so ऐसा कुछ था.
Okay. So after you came into Bollywood, apart from this thing, कि models act नहीं कर सकते, you got nominations, so many nominations in your first film only. So that you proved that you can act. Were there any other limitations जो आपको cast करने के पहले लोग, you know, used to be, you look a certain way, or you know, we can't give you a lead or something like that? Any other struggles that you faced?
See, उस time पे look a certain way पे बहुत emphasis था. जो अभी thankfully last 6-7 years, if you see cinema, there's a sperm donning film, there's Uri, there's the Masan, there's so many beautiful films, so many beautiful subjects. There's the OTT. In fact, I've been part of how many? Last year, I shot a film for Sanjay Gadvi for Z. Operation Parinde. I played a Nihan.
Yeah.
Then next came Who's Your Daddy? I got a nomination for Best Actor Comedy, imagine, and supporting at your Times, your Filmfare, OTT
yes.
Awards. You know, so which is really took a long time because, you know, nobody would give me a comedy here. वहाँ प्रिपरेशन में बोलते थे 7 रस होते हैं, 7 रस होते हैं, ऐसा होता है, वैसा होता है, हास्य भी होता है, ये भी होता है, वो भी होता है, रौद्र भी होता है. तो वो जो प्रिपरेशन थी और ऑन ग्राउंड जो एक्सपीरियंस था, बिल्कुल ही अलग अलग थे. यू नो, आप पेंटल साहब इतने चैलेंजिंग थे. उनकी क्लास में याद है जिब्रिश हम लोगों ने करी थी. जिब्रिश में मेरी सिचुएशन भी मुझे याद है अभी तक. वो ट्रेन आती है, आपके हाथ पांव बांध के कोई छोड़ गया है आपको पटरी पे मरने के लिए, और वो ट्रेन आएगी आपके ऊपर से चली जाएगी. और वो थैंक्स टू दैट जिब्रिश क्लास, जिसमें कुछ लफ्ज ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते which makes sense. I think all the South films I could do because I could convey the situation without really speaking sensible language. So it was UIU में आपने समझा दिया कि वो ट्रेन भी आ रही है आपके ऊपर पटरी से, आपके हाथ पांव भी बंधे हुए हैं, लाचार भी हैं आप, और मरने जैसी आपकी हालत भी है. So that was that class sort of helped me the first time when Jayant Paranji, I remember from Telugu, with now the big Mahesh Babu's launch film, called me. And, comedy of errors, and, just seeing how cinema is truly a national language, because तेलुगु भाषा में कर रहे थे. महेश बाबू तेलुगु हैं और उनकी लीड एक्ट्रेस थी लीजा रे, जिनको मतलब उस वक्त तो हिंदी मतलब एक वर्ड नहीं आता था उनको. तो दैट वाज इनकरेजिंग फॉर मी. एटलीस्ट हिंदी में तो आता था ना, हिंदी की 1-2-4 पिक्चरें भी आ चुकी थी तब तक. देन दूसरी हीरोइन थी बिपाशा बासु, जो बंगाली ज्यादा थी और हिंदी कम थी उस वक्त. ऑफ कोर्स लेटर ऑन, So, it was very nice to see a Bengali, anglicized Indian, Punjabi from Delhi, and somebody born out of Telugu genes, all collaborating to make a Telugu film. It was so, so wonderful. So, वैसे इत्तेफाक होते गए, and then you kept on learning, and some really good directors I got to work with. Santosh Sivan and Ashoka, in fact, with the terrific Shahrukh Khan, and then बहुत यार ये अपना Lawrence, who just shot Lakshmi Bomb with Akshay Kumar. I shot a film called Mass, which gave me a lot of success in Telugu. Trivikram Srinivas Rao, who I shot Atatu with. He's one of the very, very sought after. Mr. Rajamouli, who now the country knows because of Bahubali. I got a storyboard there for something called Simhadri many, many years ago, 2006 or 5, I don't even remember which year, with the terrific NTR. And of course, here by the time a lot of films had come, wo Awara Pagal Dewana, Champion, Footpath, मतलब काफी कुछ हो गया था इधर भी, मतलब I've been part of about now, it's been a 117 film journey.
Wow.
So at that time when we came in, वो कहते थे यार तुम तो साला लाइन नहीं बोल सकते हो मॉडल्स तो, और अगर ये सुपर मॉडल वगैरह है तो ये तो बिल्कुल ही बकवास है. Unfortunately, what had happened, there's somebody who was like ahead of us, and he sort of faltered. And I truly feel that cinema is not really my medium, it's the director's medium. And the director was legendary, so I can't take his name also, but that person faltered, with the voice he faltered. और उसने एक वो शब्द बोला, and that was it, collapsed. The life collapsed for him. And then after that, जो भी मॉडल आ रहे थे उनको यही बोलते थे यार ये कुछ कर नहीं पाएगा. A couple of seniors who sort of didn't really prepare well. कुछ नहीं यार, कोई हुआ ऐसा नहीं है, आप कुछ भी करने जाएं कर सकते हैं अगर आप सिंसियर हो और आप सीखने की आपको वो हो अंदर से, you want to learn, there's sort of earnestness to learn, you will sort of get along, right? I mean, for me, that time there was so much of pressure, Sunny Deol, Samne, and it was a commercial. See, I'm a commercial cinema product. And so, मुश्किल जो आपका सवाल है, जो मुश्किल आई मुझे वही आई थी वहाँ से commercial cinema से to break into the kind of directors I want to work with. Like a comedy 20 years later, man, for heaven's sake. Then, where I'm actually participating in the comedy. I'm making the comedy happen. Just now, Raat Baki, a very terrific, nice, tight cop thriller I was part of. So it's been about 6 releases from last year, March to now. So it's been a very, very fruitful year during the lockdown where most of the country was shut. I was really, really busy working.
So from Bollywood to also regional, lot of regional cinema actually. तो कोई डिफरेंस आपको ऐसा लगा कि यार यहाँ पे ये अलग है, बॉलीवुड में तो ऐसे होता है?
भाषा.
Of course.
तो अभी वहाँ हिंदी में बोलना तो आसान हो गया था, एक टाइम के बाद बोल तो सकते थे ना, और सिचुएशंस को अगर आप अपने अलग वे में एक्सप्रेस करें, आई ट्राई नॉट टू चेंज लाइंस बिकॉज लाइंस लिखी होती हैं राइटर्स ने, चाहे आप उसमें बिलीव करें चाहे नहीं करें. एक ऐसी लाइन मैंने बोली है कि मगरमच्छ के दांतों से गोश्त का टुकड़ा निकालना तो मुमकिन है, लेकिन बाबू राव के हाथों से ना तो कोई पूजा आज तक बच पाई है और ना बच पाएगी. अभी जब ऐसी लाइन आती है पढ़ने के लिए तो लगता है यार ये कैसे, मतलब बट अब वो कमर्शियल एक फॉर्मेट है ना, और वो लाइन आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से बोलनी है. एंड देन आई थिंक माय हीरो इज मिस्टर बच्चन. यार क्या क्या लाइनें बोली उन्होंने, वो जमा दिया उन्होंने, लाइक ही इज लाइक गॉड ऑफ द बिजनेस. All these lines he has said, most of the lines, I mean, see, so many films he's carried just like a one-man show.
So which is your favorite?
out of his films, ऐसे बोल नहीं सकते यार, जाती हो जाएगी उनसे।
I'm sure you can try. एक line तो बन
नहीं,
जाएगा.
एक खोल नहीं सकती ना, उनकी एक फिल्म कैसे फेवरेट हो सकती है? उनकी बहुत सारी फिल्में फेवरेट हैं, बहुत
अच्छा,
सारी.
anything that you remember and you feel that you can do it now.
So many, I mean, they're just like a clutter in the mind. There's the Shakti, there's Kala Patthar fighting for it, then there is Piku, and there's so many, just like a confusion. When you just name him, there's a muddle of like just films and films and films. Abhiman, Kabhi Kabhi, Chupke Chupke. I mean, just you keep on. There's just a clutter in the mind. You know, there's just one film after the other after the other. So you can't, and it's never good to compare creativity. I mean, they happen in different eras. He's been an actor who's busy now. He's been busy then, and so you can't compare because a lot of times films were shot on negative. There used to be rehearsals on set because negative used to be expensive to expose. अभी तो कई बार रिहर्सल नहीं भी होते हैं क्योंकि पता है यार कि उस पे लेना है डिजिटल पे, तो एक टेक ही ट्राई कर लेते हैं. कई बार होता है ऐसा, कई बार रिहर्सल होता है, बट कुछ मतलब ऐसा भी होता है. So you know, like different things happen, but you have the luxury of more takes now,
Yeah.
which you never had earlier. You know, negative में कोई कहे यार third take, like you would get a really glare from the director, obviously, and obviously the co-actors might in front of you say yeah पीछे जाके गाली. तो होता ही है.
So, any ऐसा कोई incident है that you remember कि अच्छा ये तो बहुत ही difficult हो रहा था, it was very difficult to perform or bring across the perfect shot.
यार कई हैं अभी. It's difficult to say one thing. I mean, I remember I've shot in a fracture for a certain project, which is, I can't name the project. Just now, recently, my 8th and 9th rib were fractured on the 14th of Feb. I think 24th I was on the set, and doctor had advised me complete bed rest. And I'd fallen in a galloping horse in Delhi, in fact, at Mr. Jindal's farm. He's got a big array of horses, and I was preparing for the film only. So कुछ zigzag करना था फिल्म के अंदर, जो हुआ भी नहीं उसमें eventually, but चाहिए भी नहीं था. I think the information was wrong, and so I was shot in immense pain. Yeah, after like on the 10th day, your 2 ribs are fractured and you're on the set, and that's happened to me once before. So Bardasht, I remember I fell some 5 stories and I'd broken my right side. That was the 3rd and the 4th, and I was on the set. So Bardasht, from that incident, 9 days from the fall. I remember 9th of Jan, I faced camera for Inivas with Bobby, and it was a Vijay Galani film. So you know, things like that have happened. So it's fine. It's just part of the job. So actors are very fragile. So just एक मुंह तोड़ दो तो खत्म. बीमार हो गया तो मुश्किल. You know, एक जीव है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि कारखाना है चलता जाएगा. You know, so it's a very fragile situation you're in. You get injured and next day you can't come on set. Everybody definitely wants to say it's all very well and take your own time, but really in their heart of hearts, they can't afford to say that because there's a setup or there's dates. There's so many things. It's all collaborative, the whole process of creativity. So that's the difficult thing.
So while being so busy with so many movies, there was a time you were going through personal loss, and it was a brief break also that you took from the movies.
Not a brief one. Yeah, I took 4.5 years off. It was at the peak of my career. So it was a large part. If I've been in the business for 20 years in the movies, 4.5 years is what, 20%? Almost 25%. You know, so I think 5 on 20 into 100 is how much? Yeah, 25%. No, more than 25%, almost 25%, almost, because you know when you come back there, then वो 4.5 साल तो आपने गवा दिए. फिर आप जब आए तो ऐसा नहीं है कि the industry is waiting for you. ऐसा नहीं कि आई अरे आप ही को ढूंढ रहे थे, ऐसा नहीं होता ना. I think I have to really thank my master to just with his grace I could just be a busy man again. Otherwise, it's difficult. Difficult.
Was it tough to come back to hit the road again?
Very, very tough.
Things have drastically changed.
In fact, I never struggled for my first film. You know, it came to me on a platter in Delhi on a con call with the legendary Mukul Anand. So it was offered to me without a screen test. Yeah, kar rahe ho. Blessed. But I would say my first release I had to struggle for because, you know, unfortunately the film stopped एंड हम इंडस्ट्री से नहीं थे, पता नहीं था यार कि और फिल्में भी साइन करनी होती हैं. आदमी को लगता था इमोशनल था, आदमी लगा हुआ था नहीं यार, बिकॉज people's names kept on coming consistently. That now this one will complete, that one will complete, and nobody really was um finally going to complete it. But I didn't know that. So so that sense of the industry wasn't there. You gradually learn. And more than that, so Champion Minute, it took its own sweet time, and it came only in 2000, December 22nd, considering that I shot for my first outdoor in 97 in the movie business. So that was a phase which was like it's almost 4 years. And the second sabbatical was during this time. So that time वापस आके ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था कि लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. बहुत मुश्किल थी. बिग बॉस भी किया मैंने. So that was one of the reasons. So you just, because there was no really media. I mean, what do you tell the media? Then I'm taking off from the movies because I've lost my partner. It's very, I mean, I find that very weird, man. So, I mean, I think anybody would find it very insensitive. With their families involved, their sons there, and there's so many things. You can't be putting that on papers. But that's your reason for I moved from Bombay to Delhi. So friends knew about it, but of course, it's just that. But last year has been really, really.
Sorry.
Go on, please.
Yeah, so we're saying that you proved first, everybody wrong that models can't act. You could act, of course. And the second thing that's most popular about the industry is that you can't have friends over here, but you have very good friends. Aftab and Bobby Deol
I
are
don't have
close.
very good friends. I have just a couple of friends. I said very good friends.
Okay.
कौन है मेरे? There's an Aftab Shivjasani.
Mhm.
There's a Bobby Deol. But if I have to, like really push comes to shove, वैसा वाला. Like I remember
Okay.
Bobby coming to my inaugurate my gym. There's a Sunil Shetty I can bank on. I know. I can't call him my friend. I look up to him like he's the seniors, but I know I can call him on a rainy day. I can call him. So कम है ऐसा. मतलब इतना नहीं है कि like I don't know any director friend of mine who I'll just call, and maybe Vikram Bhatt to an extent, and say कि यार देखो भैया मुझे काम चाहिए. ऐसा है नहीं. Though I worked with how many directors? I don't know how many directors. That many films. There've been repeats. A few of them. But even then, ऐसा होता नहीं है ना. See, the business and the nature of the business is very specific. It's a very specific nature, and you don't expect them to cast you just because you're friends with them. है ना? ऐसा तो कोई जो नॉन सक्सेसफुल जिसकी फिल्म होती है वो फिर चलता ही जाएगा ना.
Of course.
ऐसा होता नहीं है ना. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. And to expect that only is wrong principally.
Yeah.
Principally it's wrong.
Basically, I meant that you have a boy gang with Aftab, Bobby Deol, and a few other people, or just to hang out.
Others I can't say. I mean, Atul Gazbekar from my modeling days, I would say. But I can't say there's a boy gang like that. Like I mean, I don't. With these guys, yeah, definitely. Like I mentioned the names, the usual suspects. Like I remember Aftab was there for me during that time, very much. Bobby came to inaugurate my gym, FOC. Anna came for the first one, FOC. I mean, I can't afford these guys to be opening my gyms in Delhi for sure. But they came, yeah, they came. They came. It was just kind. So I mean, so ऐसा है यार. कुछ अच्छे लोग हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि बाकी लोग अच्छे नहीं हैं. बाकी भी अच्छे ही हैं. मगर ऐसा कभी किसी के साथ आगे नहीं गई है. मतलब like होता यही है यार कि everyone gets together, you make a film, everyone disbands. So it's not that the other person's not in your heart. It's just that everyone's got busy lives. They've gone on to working somewhere else. You've gone on to working. ऐसा होता है. जो fact
Right.
यही होता है.
So one thing from the beginning, from the time you started modeling till now, one thing is constant, that you have one of the most fittest bodies. Like, it's not, we have it. I don't remember you seeing without those six-pack ab body. Any tips for our fans here, because most of them are asking you, please, fitness tip, how should we keep fit like you?
I think consistency, and slowly. There's never, you can't like, one fine day, like when I was running these gyms also, there were a lot of people, like when we would go into the sales and see, between 1st and the 10th of Jan, there used to be many sales. So all those New Year resolutions, कि पूरी रात किसी ने दारू वारू पी होगी और सुबह यार आज मैं बना लूंगा बॉडी, that kind of stuff. But वैसा होता नहीं है. It needs a certain amount of dedication. It needs a certain amount of perseverance, especially injuries like right now for me. It's really frustrating because, last year my right shoulder on the 5th of July, I remember the date. And this year on the 14th of Feb, Valentine's Day, I got a gift, 8th and 9th rib. So both these injuries, I have not been training much because, right shoulder. So it was very difficult for even me to motivate myself to get there. कि चलो right shoulder injured है, you train legs ना, नीचे कुछ करते हैं काम. But just would not, you just don't, when you don't feel yourself 100% complete, एक मुश्किल होती है. Like anyone who's right now, God forbid, had a COVID situation, they would know and relate to what I'm saying. It just saps you of your energy. I mean, thankfully, I've just been lucky. Imagine working on sets without a mask, because we guys can't wear na camera के आगे तो उतरेगा ही. So and sometimes with a lot of people, horses भी, तलवारें भी, set के कपड़े भी. So I think the only thing is consistency. Keep on having a resolution to go back one step at a time. They cannot be what somebody's achieved in that much time, you overnight created. And if somebody is sorting out a shortcut, like some wrong coach who's guiding them that, Arey yaar, take this steroid, take that rubbish, then that might happen for a very brief while. But the day you decide to let go of it, it'll just collapse. And God forbid, when you genuinely need the steroid, like, God forbid, if you're in a situation of falling unwell or you have a disease, when doctors actually have to give you one of those, then they don't really work that well, because your body has anyway taken them at one point, though they're different kinds of steroids. But it's definitely no to it. It's not good. So the only thing I feel is consistency. What you see a Tiger Shroff doing so easily, backflips one after the other, is not come overnight. कि चलो यार आज जाते हैं और आज backflip करते हैं. It's taken him maybe 10-12 years of a lot of hard work every day at the beach, putting your mind to it every day. Even during lockdowns, I saw videos of him coming back to the basics. वहीं जाके वापस करना. It's like, it's like learning in school. It's similar to that. So there has to be an interest level. There has to be love for your body, which I think, I don't know why people don't. And there's nothing about being narcissistic. You don't have to look at a mirror and say, यार मुझे 6 पैक चाहिए. शरीर actually पीछे से काम करता है. Your kinetic work change is behind. It's not ahead. You might see ये दिख रहा है आपको. तो चेहरा दिखता है आपको और 6 पैक दिखता है. तो लोग वहाँ फोकस करते हैं, but the body works from behind. All your scapulars, your back, your lower back, all your kinetic chain of work is behind. कई बार आप देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो, कोई मजदूर को देखेंगे आप जो पुश कर रहे होते हैं, ये लोहे के जो होते हैं ना एंगल्स को लेके वो ज्यादा होता है खींचता हुआ. When you see him in sunlight, how sinewy, how beautiful that body is, he is not even aware. क्योंकि ना काइनेटिक चेन ने बहुत काम किया, पीछे से ही काम किया उसने, सारी पीछे से काम किया, और वो आगे 6 पैक बना होता है उसका. He doesn't know, he doesn't do 6 पैक exercise, but it's a byproduct. It's a byproduct of the right kind of exercise. So movements, हिंदुस्तान में पता नहीं, अभी तो काफी अवेयरनेस है, बहुत अवेयरनेस है, but movement, I mean, I can go on and on about this here, because this is like one of my some things, because I sincerely feel, when like you've read about oxygen shortage and this and that. I mean, science told me in school 1/5 of the air is that, and you need nitrogen also because all of that, for a chemical. But if you see, when a child breathes, when they come into the world, the parents get happy. I mean, I remember my situation when I saw him coming out, and he cried out, and the doctor said, congratulations, and it was a big relief. That time लग रहा होता कि यार सब कुछ गलत ही होने वाला शायद, you know. So that relief, imagine that is the life given to you. And it's a big, big blessing, huge blessing. It's such a huge blessing, that life. It's and you remember that blessing only when you fall unwell. God, चोट लगती है, बीमार होता आदमी. So I think if that's the blessing you have, then why abuse that blessing? It's not like a car tire that you're going to replace. हड्डी गई तो गई भैया. अभी आपकी नीज गई तो रिप्लेस, अगर नीज का रिप्लेसमेंट है मुश्किल होगी ऐसा. So gradual, I think gradual process, one after the other, no shortcuts. Gradually, strengthen gradually. Movement should be smoother.
Right. So, how much is Mugdha a fitness freak?
Oh, she's an incredible yoga person. I can't perform those asanas what she does. Ashtang she does. So she's very, very good. Very strong. Let me put it this way. She's got a strength of a man actually.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not joking. Because the strength is in the right place. because अष्टांग किया है ना, so वो अष्टांग में क्या होता है कि जो आपके जो पीछे kinetic chain की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना, बहुत strong है. तो बाकी के जो मसल है वो अपने आप ही बन जाते हैं. और अगर वो नहीं भी बने, if your habits of food are not good, because actually it's a combination of, it's like a triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides equal. If somebody is a science student, तो एक तरफ खाना है, एक तरफ exercise है, और नीचे rest है. Because it grows during rest. Your body grows when you're resting it out.
Right.
So your muscles, everything, they're getting replenished. They're getting repaired during your tissues. Everything is getting repaired during sleep.
Yes, true. So, what are other things that you've learned from Mugdha?
From her, she's what I learned from her is I was lucky to go to St. Columbus. And because of the background of my mother's been a teacher, she retired as a principal. And my father had a terrific vocab. Like he could speak Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi, and English all very eloquently. So you've heard that sound at home, So she's a strong Marathi. And she went to a Marathi medium school. Now, sometimes I understand, and your learning years, are the first to 12. I'm getting a little serious about this question. Because वो जो 12वीं क्लास तक पढ़ता है ना आदमी, एक बेसिक चीज, I'm not saying that Three Idiots story, मतलब you have to do only what interests you, but एक वो basic, I'm saying जुबान या जो भी है, आपका बात करने का तरीका, basic skills, your vocab, basic skills, you can make up for it later, but it's very difficult. So she has learned all the English after class 12. She can write mail. So it's difficult when you think of that from that point of view. In a house which rattles off words only in Marathi, even to speak Hindi is difficult. And then speak English is even more difficult. And because it's a later learning. So things like that. Self-made, very self-made. Like whatever it's like, came to Bombay. And then, so I relate to that story a lot. In the sense, like, at least I was fortunate, like I told you, my education. And so that way I've been fortunate. But so we've come to a city which we both don't belong to really. Though she can speak the language of the city. Like she is terrific in Marathi. And being Maharashtrian. So मुझे अभी तक आते नहीं है, सच्ची में आते नहीं है. एक आध दो मतलब मुझे किसी भी लैंग्वेज का कुछ भी नहीं आता एक्सेप्ट फॉर पंजाबी, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, क्योंकि काम बहुत किया. लाइक आई हैव डन व्हाट 30 odd films in Telugu, 15 Tamil films, 15 Kannada films, 4 films in Malayalam, 2 with the legendary Mohanlal. So you learn with all these experiences, but ये आता नहीं है कुछ भी मुझे. तमिल कोई कहेगा तो तमिल तेरे दा सर, मतलब नहीं आती. And the terrific thing about Tamil, or observing the people in Tamil Nadu, just to take home, हाँ और ना दोनों एक ही तरह है. फूड सर, यस सर, यस सर भी यूं है, फूड सर, एले सर, मतलब वो भी नो, यू गॉट इट ना, सो देयर इज अ लिटिल
Yeah.
डिफरेंस इन द नोड्स ऑफ द हेड्स कि एक यस और एक नो है, मगर दोनों ऐसा नहीं है यस, ये
Yeah.
नहीं है, मुंडी वहीं घूमती है, दोनों यस सर वैसे ही है. So it's good to observe sometimes, things like this you can take home and put into your characters sometimes. Like I've been watching one person who I look up to in Bihar a lot, and I've been watching him speak a lot nowadays. So अगर अभी ऐसा कोई लगा तो चिपका दूंगा मैं उसे, घुसा दूंगा कहीं ना कहीं उसको.
Somebody
I really wish somebody cast me in a Bihari or like a UPI role now, अभी उसको ऐसा घुसाऊंगा मैं कि मतलब इतना प्यार से घुस जाएगा वो कि पता भी नहीं लगेगा.
Okay, so imagining you in a like a Bihari role is like, I would love to see that.
Yeah, I mean, I would love to see myself. वो एक शिकायत रहती है मुझे फिल्म मेकर्स, अभी हमारे राइटर्स सारे यूपी के ही हैं ज्यादातर, भाषा हिंदी है. तो अभी देखो ना, राजा मौली को मुझे लगता है कि वो नक्सलवादी तेलुगु लीडर या डेकॉइट वो कास्ट कर सकते हैं. मुझे सेंसिबल डायरेक्टर है, बहुत ही सेंसिबल और अच्छी फिल्में बनाते हैं. मोहनलाल जी की अगर फिल्में आप काम करते हैं तो नेचुरली, अगर आप एक मलयाली फिल्म में काम कर रहे हैं और आप मलयाली हैं उसमें, तो वो डायरेक्टर जो भी है तो समझ ही सकता है आप मलयाली हैं. अब इतने सब डायरेक्टर्स ने विश्वास दिया मुझे कि मैं वहीं का, उसी प्रांत का, भाषा मुझे आती है, डबिंग होती है बाद में मेरी, मगर लिप सिंग करना पड़ता है. इट्स लाइक रियली गोइंग टू स्कूल नेचुरली ना. इफ यू कांट बी टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी में बात करो बाद में, मैच ही नहीं होंगे ना होठ.
So how do you manage that?
Like every rupee that I earn there is hard earned. मतलब रोहित सिंह, हेलो रोहित सिंह, वो आया वहां से कुछ ऐड मी प्लीज और समथिंग, मुझे पता नहीं कैसे ऐड करते हैं लोगों को. तो इसलिए ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वहां पे यू शुड सी मी, इट्स लाइक अ जोक यार, मतलब इट्स लाइक रियली आई एम नर्वस. लाइनें, ये डर लिए रहता है ना कि भाई बाकियों की लाइनें इजी हैं, घर से उठ के आए कुछ भी बोल दिया सोते सोते, जिस तो बोल ही देंगे. तो उसमें फिर उनके साथ मैच करना, और मेरे जो रोल ऐसे कमाल कमाल के होते हैं, तो डराने वाले, वो करने वाले, तो उसमें इमोशन भी चाहिए. एक नॉर्मल बातचीत अलग है, एक धमकाना किसी को अलग है. फोर्स चाहिए ना उसमें, फोर्स चाहिए, मगर उसमें भाषा नहीं आती. और सोचिए, इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि साला हिंदी मेरी ठीक है, और मैं समझता हूँ कि यूपी के प्रांतों में हर 15-20 किलोमीटर में ना ऑलमोस्ट एक्सेंट बदल जाता है. आप यूपी के जाएं कभी 20 किलोमीटर, इट्स लिटिल डिफरेंट द यूपी फ्रॉम, बट एक सेंस ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन मेरा बुरा नहीं है यार, मतलब इतना भी बुरा नहीं है, क्योंकि जब भी देखिए ना वहाँ इतनी है. मैं आपको सिंपल बोल रहा हूँ, मलयाली और वो भी रोलिंग ऑफ टंग है उनकी अलग है. एक नॉर्थ इंडियन को लगता था, तब मुझे दिल्ली में था तो मुझे लगता था कि यार साउथ इंडिया आफ्टर महाराष्ट्र मतलब तमिलनाडु. मतलब एक होता है ना, एक दिल्ली वाले से पूछो तो, मतलब नॉट दैट यू आर अवेयर, आई मीन एट दैट पॉइंट देयर वर 22 स्टेट्स, नाउ देयर 29, बट उस टाइम पे एक अवेयरनेस आपका यही था कि भाई ये कि अरे मतलब एक ऐसा सोचता है मद्रासी है, चाहे वो. आई वेंट टू कॉलेज इन बैंगलोर व्हिच इज कन्नड़ कंट्री, कन्नडिगास. उधर भी एक ही चीज सीखी मैंने, कन्नड़ा बड़े दला सोनी, मींस आई डोंट नो कन्नड़ा. ओके. ऑल्सो फेस से वो पहचान जाते हैं, गोरा है, लंबे बाल है, यहाँ का है नहीं, वो पहली वो भी अपना ट्राई करते हैं इंग्लिश या हिंदी में, और मैं भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. इट्स नाइस टू हैव कॉन्वर्सेशंस लाइक दैट, नो, बोथ पीपल आर ट्राइंग, एंड समहाउ व्हाइल स्पीकिंग टू देम योर हिंदी आल्सो गोज रॉन्ग. सर है, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, नॉर्मली वुड से सर, मैं क्या सर है, मैं सो इट बिकम्स लाइक दैट, इट बिकम्स लाइक दैट.
You pick up the dialect, no, of that tone basically.
No, because you feel that maybe that way they will understand. You feel in your mind, though it's not going to help
in your mind,
but in your mind you feel.
All right, Rahul, let's play a little fun game here, this or that. I'll just ask you a few questions, which is like this or that. You have to choose and tell me your choice. So let's start with modeling or films. Still, which is the most closest to your heart?
Films.
Okay, one hotbod actor today in Bollywood and one hotbod actress today in Bollywood.
नहीं, आवाज नहीं आ रही, क्या कह रही हैं?
one hot actor in Bollywood today and one hot actress in Bollywood today.
One difficult to name here. I mean, there are two favorite male actors amongst the younger lot. I like Tiger Shroff for another kind of thing. I like Vicky Kaushal for another kind of thing. Craft, है ना? एक
Okay.
because वो पता नहीं गुलाटियाँ कैसे मारते हैं यार वो I swear I don't know यार how you know is this generation's Salman Khan, the newer generations. And वो जो है वो पता नहीं वो तो सरस्वती लेके आए हैं यार अपने साथ विकी वो कैसे करता है वो मतलब मजा आ जाता है देख के बिकॉज आई नो हिज फादर एंड वो ऐसा टिपिकल पंजाबी फैमिली से है मैं आपको बता भी नहीं सकता हूँ मतलब बिल्कुल पंजाब एंड ही प्लेड अ गुजराती इन दैट संजू आई रियली डोंट नो यार कैसे सो एक्ट्रेस का क्या बोल रही थी आप क्या होना चाहिए एक्ट्रेस का
One hot actress in Bollywood today.
A fit actress, I think Disha Patni is in very great shape at the moment. वही ना टाइगर तो को फंसना ही है दोनों को करना ही पड़ेगा साथ में and otherwise performance wise Vidya Balan.
Okay.
Vidya Balan, she's tremendous and it's not that the others are not good there. I mean that tremendous. There's so many people here, but I mean these are the minds people coming to mind at the moment.
Okay. So romantic films or action films? What do you like to watch?
Depends on what is the. I mean, I like thrillers a lot. I like to watch thrillers, but I like layered films. ऐसा नहीं कि thriller में मतलब कुछ होना चाहिए ना बीच में एक undercurrent वो दूसरी story भी चल रही है. You know, like a layered, like how life is ना. Life ऐसा नहीं कि खाली romance ही चलता जाएगा life में या खाली मुश्किलें चलती जाएंगी. हर चीज का एक representation होता है ना life का.
You like something that tickles your mind, or throttles it up.
No, I like thrillers as a genre. I like them. Like I'm a big David Fincher fan. But romance also I love. But that less spoken one, not in your face. Yeah, not like that. Like a little more matured. Like I'll tell you that Sholay, Jaya Ji and Bachchan Saab.
Yes.
That kind of that subtle.
All right. So staying home.
Which film अभी देखिए ना एक और film आ गई उनकी. I mean, imagine in those days they thought like this. The legendary Ramesh Sippy. I mean, how they thought like that in those days.
Yeah, that's why they're classics. They're legends.
Classics. Satyakam, another favorite film of mine. You know, The Righteousness of Mind. I mean, that just stuck with me. From black and white TV, I saw it. Dharamji's film. It just stuck with me, and I've told, in fact, to both Bobby also, Bhaiya also, कि यार आप लोगों को क्यों नहीं की आप लोगों ने वो film? एक और, you know, like I don't know who has the rights. I think they only have it. But वो film इतनी ऐसा लगती है ना, especially when you look at the current state of affairs of the country, and you need somebody like that just to rise. Honest, but without really fighting. It's like a Gandhian almost. He is. Dharamji, imagine another Gandhian action man, almost like a Gandhian, and a very good friend. And Sanjeev Ji, again, tremendous actor. So.
Okay, so staying home or traveling? What do you prefer?
What?
Staying home or traveling?
At the moment, staying home.
Otherwise, you like to travel?
I like to travel. I've always been a travel person. Always a travel person. I mean, right from 1990, I've been just traveling. You know, there are always two bags ready in my house. One is full of warm clothes. One is colder clothes. Like, you know, for a warm place. One is for a colder place.
Okay. जब जो हुआ वो फटाफट उठा के निकल लिया.
चलो यार. I like traveling.
Great. So Delhi or Mumbai? This question is inevitable for people.
ये नहीं कर सकता यार. देखो यार ये दोनों ही में बहुत प्यार है. इसमें कोई political correctness नहीं है इसमें. है यार सच्ची बात है ना. I mean, I was born here, so naturally, and you're stuck with your roots. And वहाँ because you know I imagine the whole the place gave me my work, my food, my everything, who I am. There's interviews happening because of that, isn't it?
Right.
So वो कहते हैं कर्म भूमि और जन्म भूमि वैसा वाला चक्कर है.
So if you were stuck on an island with a model and an actor, who will be those?
Mugdha na model bhi actor bhi.
Hey, who will be that model and who will be that actor you want to be stuck with?
अच्छा ऐसा ख्वाहिश है तो बच्चन साहब और मुग्धा.
Nice. Okay, suits or pajamas?
Pajamas yaar, pajamas.
Okay, and beard look or no beard look, which is your favorite?
Beard यार beard. Shave कौन
All right,
करेगा, food कौन
and we
पहनेगा.
also love that beard look.
हाँ.
We love that beard look.
Okay, great, thanks. If you guys are
So
cool,
that
I'm cool.
yeah. So that brings us to the end of this session. You want to say something to your fans? Hello.
Okay,
Stay safe.
guys, stay well, and there's a lot of you all know there's oxygen and beds and this and that. So double mask up, guys. Stay well, support people that you can, and do a bit for anybody, your staff at home. कोई भी खाना, at least food you can give to people. So love you all. Stay well. Be safe.
All right. Thank you so much, Raul, for this session. It was really fun to listen to
Okay.
all the stories you had to tell. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, everyone, for joining in.